there, sunshine. So guess what? Today in the mail, I received the other two Jeffree Star Cosmetics mystery boxes that I ordered last week, and I am so happy. Okay, so here is what is a little bit strange. I ordered 3 of the $40 deluxe boxes at the same exact time. Literally added 3 to my cart, bought them. Got that all finished and done. One of my boxes began processing the day after I placed the order and was shipped the day after I placed the order. These other 2 boxes began processing 5 business days after I placed the order. They were like shipped like on the 5th or 6th. I can't exactly remember. So I just thought that was kind of weird. Just wanted to share that with you guys in case some of you are still missing your boxes. Hopefully they get to you very, very soon. But I do have 2 boxes right here. Haven't peeked, don't know what's in them. I just opened up the tape so we don't struggle with the tape for a bit. But with all of that said, I'm gonna shut up so we can sign the boxes. So it looks like we have the same pink tissue paper that the other box had. And I think that the exclusive item that all of the boxes received was a red Jeffree Star Cosmetics logo pop socket, which I mean, like, that's pretty cool that we all got an exclusive item, but I don't really think it's too exclusive. I mean, that's just my opinion, but it looks like the formula inside of this box, like the types and the amount of the product, is like the same from what I received in my first box. I have a Skin Frost, I have 3 lip ammunition, no, I'm sorry, I have 3 velour liquid lipsticks and I have 1 lip ammunition. So I don't know, I'm very excited. With all of that said, I think that Jeffree said that each of the deluxe boxes has like a $75 savings. I'm not exactly sure, but I'm gonna go ahead, shut up. I'm gonna pull out the Skin Frost first. Okay, so the shade that I received is Deep Freeze. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is so outside of my comfort zone, but I'm really excited that I just didn't get some, like, I don't know, I want to be pushed outside of my comfort zone. So with all of that, let's open it up. Yes. Oh my gosh. Okay, definitely very, very far outside of my comfort zone, but I can't wait to like use this as eyeshadow. And literally, these are so freaking huge. Like, these are massive. I don't know, the mirror is so amazing. I'm wearing this shade right here. Is the I think it's shade Jeffree Who. That's the shade that I got in my last box. So this is like a unique color. It's not something it's definitely outside of my comfort zone, but I can totally play with it and use it as an eyeshadow, because I do think it's a little too dark for my skin tone, or as a lip topper. That'd be so freaking pretty. Okay, so everything else we have 3 velour liquid lipsticks and we have a lip ammunition. So obviously I'm gonna start off by seeing what color our lip ammunition is. So this is shade Starfish. We have our lip ammunition. Oh my goodness, I am very pumped. I just think the packaging is so cute. So that's definitely a very like bright pink color. I'm totally gonna do swatches. We should totally do swatches. Okay, ready? Ooh, yeah, that's really pink. I can't wait for that, for like spring to roll around, spring and summer to roll around, and oh my gosh, that's actually way more pigmented than I was expecting it to be. I'm sorry, I'm stumbling all over my words. I'm just so pumped about this box. Okay, so the last 3 items in my second box are 3 velour liquid lipsticks. 2 of them are from his latest collection, and this one, I don't know what collection it's from. This is in shade Watermelon Soda. All of his velour liquid lipsticks say shake well before use, which I've never noticed before, but now that I know that, I'm like, oh, I don't know why I need to do that. But so here's Watermelon Soda. Oh, I love how bright that is. Oh my gosh, I freaking love bright lipstick, and that is absolutely stunning. It looks like it's showing up on camera very red, but I promise you guys, it's definitely a very watermelon pink shade. I don't know why it's showing up red. And then the other 2 velour liquid lipsticks we received, I received one in shade Triggered. Okay, don't know what this is gonna look like. I love the packaging of these. I will never get over these. Like, every time I see one, especially with like the lighting from my ring light, it's so glittery. Okay, ooh, Triggered looks like it's gonna be like a really dark purple. Oh my gosh, it's like so dark it almost looks brown. I promise you guys, this is purple. That one's a little patchy looking, but maybe it's just because like I suck at applying it on the back of my hand. I don't know. I'm excited to try these out and see how they apply on my lips. And then the last shade that I received is in shade Can't Relate, which is so iconic. And I don't know, I don't remember what this shade looks like, but let's just go right here on the back of this hand. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I have to say, me personally, I'm somebody who loves bright lipsticks, so I wouldn't say that these two shades are really outside of my comfort zone, although this one is not something I've ever had before. I don't know, it's a very unique combination of colors, but I can't wait to see what the other box has. So I'm just gonna go ahead, I'm gonna literally just toss everything aside, and we're gonna get into this box right here. I did decide to go ahead and wipe all the colors off the back of my hands, so we have a clean slate to start swatching on, but again, plain pink tissue paper, a red pop socket, and then the same exact combination of products that we received in the first and second box. So we have a Skin Frost, we have 3 Velour liquid lipsticks, and a lip ammunition. So I hope this is a different color. I'm not looking at the color yet. I'm not looking. Okay, we're just gonna pop it out. Oh my god, this is in shade King Tut. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. Oh my god. Okay, wait, I'm having a hard time opening it. Oh my god. Okay, I'm just gonna do a quick swatch because I don't want to like, oh my god. Oh my gosh. Are you flipping floppity serious? I'm so excited about that. Oh my gosh. I really didn't think I was gonna get like a everyday wearable color, but this gold, I love wearing gold highlighter like on a daily basis. That's my go-to, even though right now I'm wearing like peach, but oh my gosh, I'm really bummed about that. Okay, so this box is really good. Okay, I'm so hyped that we even just had that. Even just getting King Tut, I'm like, oh my god, the rest of the box is made. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's pick up the lip ammunition, and this is in shade X Supermodel. Ooh, the top of it's broken. Aw. Like the top of it's like literally broken inside of the tube. I mean, that's not like, it's really not that big of a deal because I know that like a lot of people received like highlighters that had been smashed, but I am kind of sad about this. I don't know how that would happen in shipping. I'm just gonna go ahead, I'm gonna try and swatch down here. Oh my god, that is a stunning color. That's literally like the shade I was wearing almost earlier today. It's a little bit pinker, but that's a stunning shade. So kind of sucks that this is a little bit broken, but it's not something that I can't work with. The product is totally still usable. Okay, so then we have 3 Velour liquid lipsticks. The pink one that I received here, this is in shade Posh Spice. Oh, this is a very nude, like cool tone brown shade. That's definitely not something that I would ever pick out for myself. But it's not an ugly shade, like totally still, like I can totally work with that, especially if I layer it with a pink. Don't hate it, don't love it. And then the other 2 lipsticks that I received, I have one in shade Clout, which, love the packaging. Okay, this is not something I ever would have gone, yes, said, oh my gosh, are you serious? Oh my gosh, what? Wait, I was not prepared for that to be metallic. Okay, hold on. I need to shut up for 2 seconds and just show you guys. Ooh, this on top of this would be so stunning. Oh my gosh. Okay, we have one more thing. So before I go into full freak out mode, this is in shade Scandal. I think I've already received, yeah, I already got Scandal. So I have 2 Scandal liquid lipsticks, which I mean, like, I'm not mad about it at all. I got 3 boxes and this is the only repeat that I have. I mean, it's not like his collection is like absolutely enormous, and like it's not like his collection's like big enough for me to go, well, I shouldn't be getting any repeats. Like, he still doesn't have like a huge inventory of products. So I'm not mad that I received 2 like of the same shades in 3 different boxes. Plus, it's totally still like a wearable color. It's not something like this where like you couldn't wear that to the office or something. This is totally still like appropriate for daytime wear and everything like that. That last box was definitely the best box that I received. I am so in love with it, and I'm really actually happy with everything that I received out of all 3 boxes. But I'm so freaking pumped to share this with you guys. I hope you loved my unboxings as much as I loved the actual boxes. I can't wait to hear what you guys think in the comment section down below. What was your favorite box? The first box, the second box, or the third box? I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.